Hi and welcome to Mancave Projects. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn old motor oil into one of the best wood preservatives on the planet. Right, so for this we obviously need our old engine oil. We also need another petrochemical style product. Diesel fuel works really well, but diesel fuel is probably more expensive than the oil. So I've had a bit of a shed clear out and found some old white spirit. That will work just as well. We've got a container to mix the two in, an old brush and a pair of gloves. Right, so you cannot use old engine oil on its own on wood because it will stay tacky, you'll brush against it, the oil will transfer onto your clothes, it just won't work. But something like white spirit or diesel fuel will actually seal the oil into the wood. The ratios depend on how light or how dark you actually want the staining. So I'm going to go with a 50-50 mix, and that will hopefully give me almost like a natural finish to the wood. So I've already done that. I've already mixed the two into this container and I'll show you just how good it is. Okay, so we just put it on exactly the same as you would any other preservative or stain. Right, so there you go. I'll just leave it at that for now so you can see the contrast and also so I can finish the video. As you can see, hopefully you can see from the camera, this is started to get a little bit lighter because it's drying. It'll be touch dry in about 2 to 3 hours. As with any staining that you're doing on fence panels, if you've got a floor that you want to protect, make sure you put some cardboard down. But you would do that for any wood stain anyway. So there you go, using old engine oil as in my opinion, the best wood preservative you can get. Since we went into the EU and followed all of their regulations, all of the products like this, like paint stripper, they're just not the same because of obviously the regulations around chemicals that are used in a commercial setting. So there you go, using old engine oil as a exterior wood preservative. In my opinion, it outperforms anything that you can buy in the shops, especially today. Not like in the past where you had some really decent products. Now with all of the regulations, everything just seems to be watered down. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it.